Okay, friends, I am back in the craft room upcycling. I needed a sign for my bathroom, and this is something I bought. I got it either at Home Store or Hobby Lobby, and it was like 70% off, so it was super inexpensive, but it's a, you know, wrapped frame, and that is lovely. There's nothing wrong with that. I could actually even paint that and make it beautiful, you know, add some pops of color, but I have had this sign for probably 10 years. Used to have it in a frame in an old bathroom, and I decided this is going to get put on here, so I'm going to upcycle this. I'm just going to add some double-sided tape and some Fabri-Tac and then a little bit of paint, and that's what's going to make it go in the new bathroom that I'm going to use it in. Thought I'd share. Okay, here's the in-between. So that's just adhering it to the canvas, and now we're going to make it pretty. And here it is, all finished. What do you guys think? I like how it turned out. Might be a little crooked. Anyway, that little sign that I already had that tied to a piece of jute, or it was already came that way. And I just added another piece of jute to it to attach it to the back. But that little sign was from the Dollar Tree, guys. I just painted over it with some colors that I had in my stash. I may tweak it again to go with that sign better. If you don't like it with the sign, you don't have to include something like that. But isn't that super cool? I think it looks great. And it kind of goes with the vibe I got going in here right now for the summer. Or until I change over to fallish, winterish look. But I love it. So now I'll be able to pull it out every year. And I just played around with it and just added some paint. I used a sponge and I used a baby wipe to add the paint around the white part after I glued and adhered it. So anyway, I hope this inspires you guys. And don't forget, this is how you live at the beach.